In this video, I will show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing as a beginner without a website, without followers, and without any paid ads. Okay, we will use just free traffic. I will share with you guys the method that I'm using to earn $235,150 in commission. This is my lifetime commission, and right now I'm making $10,125 per month. And as you can see, it's available in my balance. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, so for people who are interested to start affiliate marketing without investing any money, what you need to do, just follow those steps. Okay, let's get started. So first, go to Google. Okay, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money just by promoting those easy services. Okay, so what you will do, just click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with a Fiverr affiliate. Okay, it's really super easy. Okay, so after you finish, what you will do next, you will go back to Google and you will search for Pinterest. Okay, we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Okay, for free. Okay, of course it's for free. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, make sure to open a business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, so after you finish, what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, so now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn a lot of commission. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on the search for Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest ads. Okay, search for Pinterest ads. Okay, like this. Okay, search for Pinterest ads, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are a good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose this one, level 2 seller. He has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will run and manage your Pinterest ad campaign. It's really good. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. So why we choose this service? Because people who are using Pinterest, they have a business account and they want to promote their businesses, their products. They will be interested to buy this service. Okay, a lot of people will be interested to use this service to grow their Pinterest account and promote their businesses. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this seller profile link. Okay, just copy this seller profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. Okay, and click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Okay, go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop. Let's see if we can find a good picture. Okay, click up, double click, and click on save image. Okay, save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it ads Pinterest, for example. Click on save, go to Pinterest, click over here, and upload this picture. Okay, this is my picture. Open, and here you go. You need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title like this. Okay, go to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, about this gig, this is his description. Okay, I will copy this part, I will go to Pinterest, I will put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here. It's super easy. Okay, click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name. Okay, and that's it. So I already have a lot, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. You need to put tags or keywords. Okay, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you will find keywords here. Okay, so you should see related tags. Okay, so those are the keywords that you should use. Okay, copy this one. So copy those keywords and go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. It's super easy. Okay, Pinterest promotion, make sure to copy all those keywords. Okay, they are very important. And after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. It's super easy. And why we choose to promote our affiliate links on Pinterest? So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from Pinterest for free. Okay, it's really millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products using Pinterest. Okay, and that's why you should start promoting your affiliate link on Pinterest. You can get so much traffic for free. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. That's how you can start affiliate marketing business without websites, without followers, and without investing any money in paid ads. You just need to stay consistent and do your keyword research, search for specific and what people are searching for on Pinterest, and start promoting those services that are trending, and you will make a lot of money and you will earn so much commission. Okay, you can check my other YouTube videos. I share with you guys how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube, on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, and so much more for free. I share all those methods for free in my YouTube channel. Feel free to check those videos and subscribe to this channel. I will still share more videos like this, new methods, and so much more. Okay, so see you in my next video.